Right now there exists a rare opportunity to make a lot of money, get rich by anyone who is willing to take a lot of risk. This opportunity can materialize at any moment in the next 2 months. I am talking about a stem cell therapy called Invimestrocel, which is used to treat stroke victims up to 36 hours after a stroke. Current stroke treatments can only be given 4 to 6 hours after a stroke, so most victims do not get any good treatment at all. Invimestrocel will change this. This drug is being developed by two companies called Athersys and Helios. Helios is expected to release phase 3 top-line data in May or June. Right now the stocks are dirt cheap, and in case of good results the upside potential here is massive. Opportunities to make a lot of money fast are rare, so don't miss out.